Alright, so Connor came over and we have the fridge set up. We switched, it's against the left wall and the door opened right and it looked odd, so he helped me. He's good, he's in robotics and whatnot, so he's good with the tools. And so we made it to where it opens left, where it's flush with the wall, so it just looks better. So this is, you go for it? So it just works better since the wall is there. But yeah, we just turned it on. I have it on setting 2 of the coldness, and we're just gonna let it situate and hopefully it won't explode. But that's the fridge. I didn't expect there to be a light. There isn't a light, but when I thought about the price and whatnot, I was hoping there'd be a light, but it's fine. Like, I mean, I don't need a light. I have plenty of light. Yeah, natural that light, natural light, softbox, this light. But it would have been cool to see a light. But yeah, go ahead. Alright, so it's been an hour since I made the last clip. We got everything back and yeah, situated, so that's back. This is back. It is cold now. When I open this, my feet get cold. You can put your hand in here. Just here it gets cold. In here it's cold. The walls are nice and cold. And then the freezer is really cold and it's starting to accumulate frost, which is kind of cool. And so we're going to put some drinks in. We're going to fill this one up first. And then my mom and I probably are going to go get some stuff and fill this up more. But yeah, that's the fridge. So we're going to go get some Cokes because we do have some.
Where's the light switch? There it is.
So we'll just get one of them. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna hate you, man. Oh. I'm gonna move so much stuff. Don't worry about that. What side is it open?
Dude, this is blue right now.
You're blue?
The light's flipped out.
Dude, I don't want to be a Smurf.
Hopefully I got that on video. How do you feel?
Look terrible.
No, it's cool. Alright. So we'll get back to you when this is cleaned up.
Oh my god.
So we'll get back to you when this is cleaned up.
Oh my god, Eric. Alright, so Eric, how bad is the mess?
Not that bad. It just got everywhere. So a tiny hole opened.
Let's go look at the can.
Yeah, so it just like all the way up here. All the way up here. All the way on the table.
Oh
Can you catch that?
Yeah, I got it. Dude, that's terrible.
It's crazy.
See what happened to this mess. Oh.
Yeah,
Nice
so that little hole.
Nice little pinhole.
It was just
Nice little pinhole.
it was just shooting out. Is there anything in here? Yeah. There's like
Dude, I want to drink
3/4.
it. Uncarbonated Coca-Cola.
All right.
That's actually... Wait, can we open it? Is the
Oh my
question.
god.
Wait, I can use... Well, can't really open it. Alright, let's go back inside. This book, that's the spine of the book.
What are you doing?
I'm showing people your book, because you're not very entertaining.
Okay.
Oh, let's get that side view. All your shadows on the wall. Alright, you good.
How do I do this?
I think you put them in from the top.
Yeah, I don't want to
Eric.
like fall all the way.
That's why you be careful at first. See, now you have to put them at the top, Eric. Do you not know how mechanics works? This is why you're not in robotics, Eric. Just drop it.
What?
Push her in there.
It stops right there. Oh!
There you go. That's what you have to do, Eric.
That's kind of ghetto, actually.
You're ghetto. Use your brain. Push them in there. Supposedly that will hold 12.
What?
Supposedly. That's what the thing said. I looked at it.
Really?
It's what it said.
Yeah.
It said it will hold 1 case of soda.
Oh.
I could see you holding 12. If you like really scram it in there. Granted, we only have 11 because one just committed suicide. 5, 6. They alternated? Like, oh, you're gonna be that person.
Dude, this is tight. I don't know if I like that. I'm not gonna put any more.
Really?
Right there.
You could probably fit 2 more in there.
Here, look, Danny, I got a fridge.
What do you mean? We're putting these in here.
It's gonna shoot out the bottom.
You'll be fine.
Because there's too much pressure.
No, you're fine.
Look, these are gonna shoot out, Connor.
Perfect. Look at that. That's what, 8?
Does not look right, and this feels like it's gonna just like.
That's why there's a
Oh.
How do you...
I
See,
guess
now
it's
it's fine. It has
I
no
guess it
pressure.
is. I mean, this is gonna fall out. I won't put one on the
No,
top.
if you slam
That-
the door,
Yeah, I'm gonna slam the door.
you're not gonna slam the door, Eric.
Put one in the freezer.
You want frozen? The thing's gonna explode in the freezer. Move your arm. Oh, okay. Poor can.
I like close the door, and you hear all of them just like. They all fall out. 3:07, so I'll check on them until they get cold.
This is why things explode.
Ew, no. Alright, stop the recording. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. In the full review.
Fan's making noise.
Yeah, I know.
Sketchy fan.
In the full review, we'll have like actual how long it takes. No, how long it takes for it to open up, to cool down those drinks. Because I want to get to editing that video today, and I just want to get it done with. But yeah, that's the Midea, M-I-D-E-A. How do you think you pronounce that? How do you think?
Use English grammar. I don't know how's it spelled.
M-I-D-E-A.
Media. It's just like media, but
no,
spelled stupidly.
Midea? Midea?
Mid.
Midea?
Mid.
Yeah. Mida. No.
It's Mida.
It's not Mida.
Look it up. It's Mida. What is it? M-I-D-E-A. Mida.
And here's a little teaser for something to come. Your order has been shipped. Change to $13.25.
See, it's mid-ia.
Oh well, so this is the fridge in all of its glory. It looks really messy right here, but it's really not. You can clean that up, no problem. But yeah, it heats up on the sides because that's how it cools. It cools the inside, and then when it gets hot, it pushes it to the outside. Yeah, it's Chinese.
1968.
But that's the fridge. I distributed them throughout the fridge just to see which area gets coldest the fastest. I mean, obviously that. But yeah, that's it for the video. I'll keep you updated on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. So make sure you follow me there. But yeah, I'm really liking it. It looks so dope. I'm gonna go fill it up. But yeah, Instagram and Snapchat to see what I put in there. And then YouTube, you'll have to wait for the finished product. So definitely hit me up on the other social networks for behind the scenes footage and just more things to come.
Look at this. Look at this. $25 billion we make a year. That's so much money. That's why that thing costs $200. It's a ripoff. Oh my God.